How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a song loop in Geometry Dash. So obviously the first thing that you want to do is to actually click on the song itself. So instead of heading over to the song of our level, which is going to be something like this one, let's click on the song trigger. Basically let's go ahead and put it somewhere. And now let's go ahead and choose our song by clicking on Edit Object. Select Custom Song, and then you can just select wherever you want to. I'm going to be selecting from the music library itself. Let's select the Use button. And then it will simply look something like this. Now that you have selected your song, there's going to be volume, speed. I'm going to click on Touch Trigger. And it's really important to select the loop option right here, which will then loop the song endlessly until the level ended. So if we play out our song or our level, it should go ahead and look something like this. But normally, if you just want to play one song throughout all of your level, you can just basically select it right here. But if you want to customize it even further, I suggest using something like the song trigger. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.